How to achieve your dream body and maintain it for the rest of your life. In this video, I'm going to be discussing strategies to help you maintain your dream body so you can keep the results every day, every month, and every year. Now, before I get into the video, if you're not familiar on who I am, I'm a personal trainer and nutrition coach from Sydney, Australia. I am the owner and founder of Mind Performance Health Personal Training and Coaching, where we help clients online and face-to-face with my team, whether they're busy professionals, champion bodybuilders, professional athletes. We help dial in our clients' workouts, we help dial in their nutrition and lifestyle strategies so they can win at their fitness transformation goals. Down below this video, I have a few links and resources to help with your own fitness transformation goals. And if you are ever interested in our coaching service, you can check out the links below, book a call in with our team so we can see what we can do for your specific fitness goals as well. Now guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about keeping your dream body, keeping your fitness transformation, and what you need to do to actually make it happen. The reason I'm doing this video is because it's a question that I get asked often. How do I achieve my result? And then how do I maintain it? You're gonna hate my answer. Well, some of you may, and some of you may not. For those that do, it's because you don't wanna hear it. You need to keep doing what got you that result. You need to do the similar training. You need to do the similar tracking of your steps, the macros, the food, because that's what you've been rewarded with. Think of it this way. If you started a program, you wanted to build muscle, you wanted to lose fat, like a lot of our clients do, you want to transform your fitness, your body, and your health, and you've gone through a 12-week program. Maybe you've dropped 10% body fat, you've dropped 10 kilos, you've gained muscle, you've got nice shape on your body, you want to keep it. If you go back to doing what you did prior to that program, prior to those 12 weeks of sitting on the lounge, not doing that type of training, maybe you're very inconsistent with training, not tracking or measuring your weights or making sure you're progressing each week so your body can actually adapt and grow. You're not tracking your food, whether it's with a food plan, you're eating more junk food. Why would you expect that after you've cleaned everything up, you changed your actions, you got up, you trained, you measured, you tracked your calories, you tracked your steps, and you go back to doing the actions that you did before, why would you expect to maintain your result? You're going to be rewarded by the actions and the behaviors that you take each day. Like I said, some of you may understand what I'm saying, you acknowledge it, and you go, yep, that makes sense. Some of you may not like to hear it, but maybe you're the ones that need to hear it. And it's because you can't expect to keep the result and then go back to how you were, because how you were is how you regressed and why you wanted to take action in the first place. You've got to change who you are, your mindset, and who you want to become. You've got to question that at all times so you can maintain consistency with your health and fitness goals long term. All right, so very, very simple. Keep up the actions, keep up the habits, keep up the decisions, and keep up who you are to maintain your health and fitness results long term. Very, very important. Don't expect anything less than that person behind you that didn't have the same results. And when I say the person behind you, I'm talking about your old self. If you go back to your old self, expect your old self results. So it's important that you stay on track, keep up these habits if you really value on keeping your health and fitness long term. It's a game of growth, improvements. Yes, I don't always want to go to the gym and train, but I do. It's a habit. It's ingrained with me. Why? Because I don't want to regress with my fitness goals. It's ingrained with me. I don't want to feel sluggish. I just know it's an investment each and every time I go into the gym. Sometimes I feel motivated, sometimes I do not. Sometimes I'm feeling as strong as an ox, sometimes I'm not feeling as strong, but I still make sure I progress and I show up. And that's all I can ask from you guys is as long as you go to the gym, you show up, you're doing yourself one better each and every single time. So guys, if you ever found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, check out our resources down below. Like I said, this is an important video, not just for our clients to understand on how to maintain results, but I think for a lot of people out there, because your health is wealth, and at the end of the day, healthy body, healthy mind as well, and I want nothing for the best of you. So check out the links down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.